Welcome to Practice Easy English. 30 adjective words for daily use. Energetic, active. Are you feeling energetic today? Yes, I'm full of energy. Lazy, idle, inactive. Do you feel lazy today? Yeah, I didn't sleep well last night. Thrilling, exciting. Was the movie thrilling? Yes, it was so exciting. Boring, dull. How was the lecture? It was really boring. Scared, afraid. Are you scared of spiders? Yes, I'm afraid of them. Annoying, irritating. Is that noise bothering you? Yes, it's quite annoying. Brave, courageous. He is very brave. I agree, he can face any tough situations. Cowardly, lacking courage. He didn't face challenges and gave up easily. He is really cowardly. Complicated, difficult. Is the math problem complicated? Yes, it's quite difficult. Embarrassed, awkward, ashamed. How did you feel after the mistake? I was so embarrassed. Costly, expensive. Is that bag expensive? Yes, it's really costly. Cheap. Inexpensive. Did you find a good deal on those shoes? Yes, they were really cheap. Amiable. Friendly. Is your neighbor amiable? Yes, they are very friendly. Aloof. Unfriendly. Is she aloof? Yes, she is very unfriendly. Frightened. Afraid. Did the thunderstorm scare you? Yes, I was frightened. Generous. Charitable. Did she donate to the charity? Yes, she's very generous. Stingy. Miserly. Ungenerous. He never leaves a tip. I agree, he is so stingy. Diligent. Hardworking. Does he put in a lot of effort? Yes, he's very diligent. Patient. Tolerant. Forbearing. Are you okay with waiting a bit? Yes, I'm patient. Impatient. Restless. How do you feel waiting in this line? I'm so impatient right now. Pleasant. Enjoyable. How was your day? It was pleasant, thank you. Unpleasant. Horrible. How was the weather today? It was quite unpleasant. proud, pleased. How did you feel when you won? I felt really proud. Delicious, tasty. How was the meal? It was really delicious. Tasteless, flavorless. How's the food without any seasoning? It's tasteless. Healthy, wholesome, nutritious. Do you always eat healthy food? Yes, I avoid eating junk food. Unhealthy, unwholesome. Did you eat junk food today? Yes, it was quite unhealthy. Tidy, neat, clean. Did you clean up the kitchen? Yes, it's tidy now. Messy, untidy. How's your room? It's messy again. Helpful, useful, valuable. Did you find this lesson helpful? Yes, it was very helpful.